And Francine Brokaw is with me right now, and if you have the opportunity to watch your show Beyond the Red Carpet, we show that on Fridays at 6:30 p.m. Also, we show it on the weekends as well. And I'm happy to be with her today because she, like me, we're fellow Disney fans.
We are Disney geeks.
Yes. And we're going to talk about these products that you brought to us in just a moment, but you had the opportunity to go into Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
Yes.
You went on a press day, and tell me about that.
This place is amazing. I mean, it is. You walk through the threshold where you can access it from 3 different parts of the park, but it's 14 acres. You walk through the threshold, and you are literally in another galaxy. I mean, literally in quotes, but it's really it's a like nothing they've done before at Disneyland. They have really outdone themselves.
Well, it's something that, depending at the time that we air this, I'm going June 14th. Mm-hmm. So I'll be telling folks about that as well. And well, I'm looking forward to it. It's, first of all, it's rare that you get to go into a brand new land. The last one was, of course, Cars Land, out here anyway. But even rarer still when it's this size and level of detail and the history behind it.
Yeah, for over 3 decades, Star Wars have been part of our lives. So
amazing.
Now we can go into Star Wars.
Yeah, can't wait for it.
Okay.
All right, so this is a new line that is on Shop Disney.
ShopDisney.com.
Very something that's different. Yes, they've done dozens and dozens of plush over the years. But these have messages with them.
They do, and it's called the Disney Wisdom Collection. And every month they come out with a new quote on a Disney character, or with a Disney character, and they're very inspirational. As you can tell, I mean, Piglet here says, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think.
I like that.
So these are like greeting cards, basically.
Yeah.
I mean, you can use them as a greeting card, or a lot of people just keep them. I know people have purchased each one, and then when the time comes that they need to cheer somebody up or give a boost to somebody, this is the way to do it.
Yeah, and I know we were talking beforehand with all things Disney. They're ones that came out earlier this year, and they're out, they're sold out. People might have them on eBay, but that's all things Disney, it seems. And these are limited
each month.
Each
month, and they really do sell out quickly. I couldn't even get some of the items from the past. You have to go onto eBay to get them, but I think when the first, well, actually they come out towards the end of the month. That's when people should go on ShopDisney.com and look at the product offering for the month. Yeah,
and this is Baloo is March, and his saying is forget about your worries and your strife, and that one, unfortunately, it's sold out because that's just a classic Disney saying.
Of course, and we all, every time you look at him, you can't help but sing the song that it comes from.
You're right, and April is a Piglet.
And coming up in May is, well, actually May is out now, and it's almost sold out. Almost sold out. You can still find a few of them. Miko, the Pocahontas. And he's so cute, and he says, sometimes the right path is not the easiest one. Yeah.
And then afterwards is Lemire, and you don't have time to be timid, you must be bold and daring.
Yes, I mean, they're just so inspirational. July, always let your conscience be your guide, from the Blue Fairy from Pinocchio.
And you know, all these sayings are real sayings that have been done by Disney characters over the years.
Yes, and to combine them with the actual characters, or not specifically the character, but somebody from that film, makes it all that more meaningful.
Yeah, there's in August, there's Thumper from Bambi. If you can't say something nice, don't say nothing at all. We all know that one.
I can't wait to see that one. I haven't been able, they keep them all a secret until they actually release them. So I'm looking forward to that.
That is going to be a good one. That one will really go fast. Yeah.
That'll go.
Now, you were telling me along with that, they have these other products that go with it. Do these change each month, like a different color, or these stay consistent?
No, they're different color. They match. Like the Piglet one would be pink.
Okay.
And
this is Miko right now. That's why it's blue.
They're all blue, and they come just blank journals, so you can write your own in. And I think girls especially would like to use this as their diaries.
Yeah, and then the pin set here. Again, this one is Miko, and the saying is, there's a saying here as well.
The same, yes. They follow that through everything. They have t-shirts, and what I really like is the mug, and I've never been able to get one because they're always sold out so quickly. But the mugs are just, you know, to start your day with a mug like that with a cup of coffee in it.
I love the t-shirts. Are they selling out as well?
There are some t-shirts from the past that are still available, but I think
the blue one would be great.
The blue would be fabulous. I think starting your day with a different one of these every day it would be so cool. Now, even
obviously, you know, they sell out quickly, but because right now they come out each month, they're limited to begin with.
Yes, they are.
What came out in January would be naturally sold out anyway by now, I would think. You know, there might be one or two out there somewhere.
Yes.
But in general, because they're limited, they change every month.
They do change once a month, and there are 12 in this series. And as far as Disney knows, or they are telling the press, they haven't confirmed, they can't confirm if they're going to continue the series. So I'm thinking maybe just the 12 to make them very unique.
Yeah, and it's something that really is. So. ShopDisney.com, and then go on there and look for Disney Wisdom, and then see what's available. Yes, some you can get on eBay. They're going to be quite a bit more.
But they're very colorful, and so if you want to make put them on your shelf or table or something, you're going to have a rainbow.
Yeah, yeah, you are. I mean, you can see we're looking at those each month is sort of a different color scheme. And I like all the stuff that you can get with it because you can choose.
You can pick and choose what you want. If there's a specific character that you really like, you might as well get the whole thing. The whole series.
Yeah, very good. I bet you have, right, if you get the opportunity.
I have not been able to get a mug. They sell out so quickly, so you have to watch the website very.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, I really thank you bringing these on. I know you always on your show Beyond the Red Carpet, you often have things that's many different things. You've interviewed some great people from different shows, but also quite often you have a little tidbit from Disney or something going on with them.
Well, you and we're Disney people.
Yes.
We have to do Disney.
Yeah, definitely. So thank you very much for being here.
My pleasure. It's enjoyable to be here with you.
And maybe we'll meet one day in Galaxy's Edge. When the crowds kind of die down.
The galaxy far, far away.
Yes, or very, very close now.
Yes, right there.
All right, thank you, Francine, and we'll be right back.